So our search for dogs still continuing. There doesn't seem to be any around. This guy says he has no dog, but he does have scorpions and seahorses. So for 20 yuan we bought a stick of scorpions, which are getting heated up right now, which is good because it's fucking cold. And we're gonna pass on the seahorses because it just sounds a bit mean. Seahorses are cute, and I'm pretty sure there's not that many in the world. So, and I want to see them when I go scuba diving. So I'm not gonna eat. I want to try them though so bad, but I'm not going to. And everything else he has is just boring, like lamb and beef and chicken, and probably like chicken hearts and livers and stuff. But that's not very weird. I reckon I could eat that anyway. I really want dog. My scorpions. I got his leg. Ow. Do you eat the whole thing? It's okay? He's warm on the inside. It tastes like a warm cricket, but without the honey soy. Oh, that's not too bad.